Trigonometry math solution. Trigonometry math solution. Analysis. Lesson set. Tan forward degree plus f. Tan theta is equal to sine by cos. Okay. Then sine 45 plus a, cos 45 plus a. Now we have to realize sine 45 plus a. This means sine x plus y. Sin x cos y, cos x sin y. Cos x plus y, cos x cos a minus sin x sin a. I have two elements further. Sin x plus y, cos x plus y. Sin x plus sin 45 into cos y and cos 45 plus sin a, and cos f plus b. Cos x 45 plus into cos f minus sin 45 sin a. Sin 45 is 1 by 2 root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Then cos s sin a, cos s minus sin a. 1 by root 2 cos a plus sin plus sin a. 1 by 2 cos a minus sin a. 1 by root 2 cut it. Then cos a plus sin a, cos a minus sin a. RSS all over your progressive minus realizing. Please subscribe me. I have to analyze this further. Then suppose x equal to sin x by cos x. Yeah. Okay. Then sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y, then cos x sin y. Okay, this theorem. Then cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, this theorem. And you have to analyze this thought. All the progressive minded was this, realizes, study properly, and subscribe me. Cos x plus sin